Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about some affordable options of sunscreen which are gonna suit the dry as well as sensitive skin people. So let's dive into the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So the first sunscreen I'm gonna talk about is the Minimalist SPF 50 light fluid sunscreen. So this is the outer packaging of the sunscreen as you can see, and it retails for 499 rupees for 50 ml of product. Now if I say about the broad spectrum it provide, it is SPF 50 PA 4 plus, and it is water as well as sweat resistant sunscreen. It has been clinically tested on humans. Now it is a cruelty free sunscreen. Now as it is said, it is actually an light fluid sunscreen, but the problem with that sunscreen is whenever you apply it on face, it will create an oily layer on your face, I think, which has been the bad point of this sunscreen, because it is non-comedogenic, but it is not gonna suit someone with sensitive skin. If you have a oily skin, because obviously you have a oily skin, it is providing the beneficial oil layer, but this sunscreen again will be heavy on your skin. For that reason oily skin people should avoid it, but someone with dry skin as well as sensitive skin can use this sunscreen. So if I talk about the ingredient list of this sunscreen, it consists of the water, that is aqua, then it consists of the ethoxyl methoxycinnamide, then is diethyl amino hydroxy benzoyl hexyl benzoate. So when I read all the ingredients of this sunscreen and after personally using it, I think it is personally safe for someone who have a dry sensitive skin, and even oily people can use it if you live in a very cold climate. And as the winters are coming, I think this is one of the best sunscreen in the market for the dry sensitive skin people. Now let's talk about the Pure Bubble sunscreen. So it is SPF 60 PA+++ for normal to dry skin. Now it consists of 2 to 3 comedogenic ingredient, but I personally have sensitive skin and I have tried it on my sensitive skin and it did not cause any breakout on my skin. But someone who have supremely sensitive skin should not use it. Oily skin people should not use it. Someone with dry or sensitive skin can use it, or if you do not like to apply the moisturizer, you can use it in the winter season. So in winter season it is one of the best sunscreen to use. Now let me show you the consistency of this sunscreen. As you can see, it is gonna moisturize you very well, and it is gonna create a layer. Like you see, it blended very perfectly, but the thing is it creates an oily layer on your skin. So I think someone with dry skin would love it, because the atmosphere is not gonna retain the moisturizer from your skin. So the third sunscreen I'm gonna talk to you about is the Foxgel Golden Hour Glow sunscreen. It is one of the hype sunscreen in the India market. Now it is also SPF 50 PA 4 plus rating, and it says that it consists of the vitamin C as well as niacinamide. It is the 50 ml sunscreen which is gonna cost you 350 rupees. Quite affordable sunscreen. Now as they said, the sunscreen consists of the niacinamide and vitamin C, but as I see, it is very down in the ingredient list. Like niacinamide is I think on 8th to 9th number, and the vitamin C, that is ethyl ascorbic acid, is I think the last 5th or 6th ingredient. It also consists of the fragrance, but that fragrance is allergen free fragrance. Now this is the sunscreen which is gonna suit dry skin type people, because again it is not gonna clog your pores, and even oily skin people can use it, but I think it would be better for them to use it in the winter season itself. Now you see how perfectly it blended. So again it do not have very thick consistency, or it do not have very watery consistency. It have the consistency like a moisturizer. So I think it is gonna suit someone with dry or normal skin, or someone with oily skin in the winter season. Dry or normal skin people can use it even in the summer season. So you can get it even on the offer. Foxtail runs an offer of buy one get one free on their website. So you can also get this sunscreen on their website. I have used one tube of this sunscreen and I did not have any particular complaint. But if someone really have a very sensitive skin and the fragrance does not suit them, so at least they should do a patch test before using this sunscreen. And that is it for the video. I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, please share my video, subscribe, and if you want me to try any new product and give the review about it, please do write in the comments below.